Sturgeons are like the ancient royals of the water. Here are 5 interesting facts about their ancient lineage. Living fossils. Sturgeons have been around for over 200 million years, with fossil records showing they've remained largely unchanged. Ancient ancestors. Sturgeon ancestors date back to the early Jurassic period, when dinosaurs ruled the land. Unique scales. Sturgeons have bony plates called scutes instead of scales, which protected them through the ages. Long lifespan. Some sturgeon species can live up to 150 years, making them one of the longest living fish. Ancient migration. Sturgeons have been migrating to the same spawning grounds for millions of years, an incredible feat of instinct. Sturgeons are true ancient wonders, aren't they?